Have you ever pondered over the significance of conserving our heritage? It's far more than just safeguarding old buildings. It's about ensuring a tangible link to our past, an understanding of our culture, and a legacy for future generations. These aren't just structures made from stone and wood. They're the embodiment of our shared human journey. They're stories etched in brick and mortar, lessons from our ancestors, and a testament to our resilience. Heritage structures are like time capsules that carry the essence of history within their walls. India, with its rich and diverse history, is home to numerous heritage structures, an enchanting tapestry woven with threads of different eras, cultures, and dynasties. Let's journey into the past, beginning with the iconic Taj Mahal. This white marble mausoleum, a symbol of love and loss, is a stunning example of Mughal architecture. Commissioned by Emperor Shah Jahan in the 17th century, it stands as a testament to the aesthetic heights reached by the artisans of that time. Moving on, we encounter the Qutub Minar in the heart of Delhi. This towering minaret, the tallest brick minaret in the world, is a part of the Qutb complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Constructed in the 12th century, it has braved the sands of time, standing tall as a symbol of India's enduring spirit. Our journey takes us next to the ruins of Hampi, a city once known for its grandeur and prosperity during the Vijayanagara Empire. The ruins, spread over a vast area, whisper tales of a bygone era where art and architecture flourished. These structures, each with their unique architecture and history, provide a glimpse into the country's glorious past. They are the silent narrators of India's rich cultural tapestry, each thread spun from the stories of its historical depth and cultural richness. Each of these structures is a testament to India's cultural richness and historical depth. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, or UNESCO, plays a vital role in heritage conservation. This international body has developed guidelines that serve as a roadmap in the journey of preserving our treasured heritage structures. These guidelines are meticulously designed to ensure that the maintenance and restoration of these structures are carried out with utmost precision and respect for their historical significance. From the grand palaces of Rajasthan to the intricate temples of Tamil Nadu, UNESCO's guidelines help safeguard these structures, ensuring their longevity. They help us understand the importance of each brick, each carving, and each piece of history that these structures embody. UNESCO's guidelines serve as a beacon, guiding us in the preservation of our precious heritage. Our heritage is our identity, and its conservation is our responsibility. Support these noble conservation efforts and let the world know their importance. Share this knowledge, spread the word. Subscribe for more insights and join us in our journey to preserve our shared heritage.